Michael. I went to Notre Dame Uni. I did a Bachelor of Commerce majoring in HR. My uni's located near Broadway, so you got Bar Broadway. Probably the best one's Bar Broadway. It's a nice little place near the shopping centre at Broadway as well. But I guess that's more sedate, more for the bar crowd than the hardcore crowd. I used to do a lot of hanging out with my friends. I used to take advantage of the fact that I could do whatever I want whenever I wanted to do it. So if my friends called me up on a Tuesday night wanting to go out at 9 o'clock, I could do that. That's part of the freedom that comes with going to uni. I took full advantage of that because when you go to work, obviously, apart from Friday and Saturday night, you're going to be pretty restricted in terms of what you can do. But I used to hang around with friends who lived in my area, so we went around so that's to give you an idea, St George, Hurstville, Kogarah, that kind of area. So that's where we mainly hung out. Really didn't matter because I was hardly at uni anyway. If you were hungover, just don't show up to class, read the lecture slides, you'll be set. My name is Michael and you're watching Boss TV.